Shut up. Shut up.
Information regarding the Amber
Child
Alert.
abduction emergency.
2023, in from Creston Avenue in Des Moines. The suspect vehicle used in this abduction was a 2016 blue Chevy Cruze. Bring the following Iowa license plate number: North, South, G.
Child abduction emergency. No, I'm recording.
The destination of the vehicle is unknown at this time. The child is a female 14 years of age. Repeating, the suspect's vehicle used in this abduction was a 2016 blue Chevy Cruze bearing the following Iowa license plate number: North, South, G, 5, 8, 9. The destination of the vehicle is unknown at this time. All abductors should be considered dangerous. To report information concerning the abduction of this child, dial 911. Attention media. For complete information regarding this Amber Alert, please visit the IowaAmberAlert.org website.